I started playing soccer in the streets while I was 6 years old.
I told myself this year that I want to make it.
I've got a dream of going to play overseas,
This is like home to me.
They must go to one position and double it.
No, go back to your position where you started. That's where we saw you.
Unbelievable talent.
He's not a football player.
No.
Umama uziva esoyika in such a way that ngafumana injury.
You spot only one that will make a difference. I've won.
Nedbank Kiona Team Search 2019, Thursdays at 9:30 p.m. Channel 161 and the repeat on SuperSport 4 Channel 204 on Saturdays at 10 a.m.